My favorite place in the world? Without question.
Me love Jamaica, me now.
Hi guys, checking, 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So tonight we're gonna do a late night cooking. So I'm gonna get at the ingredients. So guys, see prayers. So I'm gonna do some ton calming and some mackerel in the night. Yeah, see me have my coconut powder here, cause your ton calming without coconut now say nothing, So this is it, ton calming and some tin mackerel dirty girl in the Sunday night, yeah. Yeah. So stay tuned, people. Okay? Yeah, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So guys, this is the coconut powder that I'll be using coconut milk to basically make the turn meal. So I'm gonna put this in the pot and season this with scallion, onion, and thyme. Yeah. And then basically when it simmer down, I basically put in the meal, okay? Yeah. Guys, and this is some tea. I'm gonna drink some tea to pep up your nice queen C stomach. So I'm gonna drink some tea, guys. I know I love my tea already, right? Yeah. It is finished, guys. Ton caramel and mackerel. Yeah. I have my juice right here. So, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I enjoy a little ton caramel and mackerel. See, well seasoned. Make me tell you about it. No lie. Nice. But it's the coconut powder, scallion and thyme. And the all-purpose season. Nice, right through. Guys, you see how I deal with it? Me fi tell you about it. Yeah. Guys, see where I go on there. Yeah. So guys, I'm basically in the shower, so I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah, it's actually 10:51. Yeah, 10:51. So I can take a shower, guys, and catch back with you guys. Yeah. So guys, I'm closing out this vlog. I have some nachos. So I will see you guys on the next vlog. Love you guys. Peace out.